In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on while using and allow in all pop-ups. Then select Standard or Speech to Text at the top. And when you're ready, click on this red button to start recording. Hit allow in notifications pop-up and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To listen to your recording right away, you need to pause it, swipe it and click on play button on the left. To add a bookmark, click on bookmark section here. And to end and save your recording, just click on this right button. Then name it, hit save, and to play it, click on it. To manage it, you can use all of those options. Click on this pen or those three dots at the top right corner and operate all of those. You can also go back to hold it on your list and use all of those options at the bottom, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!